Hello and welcome back to Creative Design. Today we are going to do the wash results of the black sublimation shirt. This one has a few that the white shirt does not, because we found out that they would not work, so we did not put those on the white shirt. Alright, so we're going to go over, let me fold this in. Let's see, I'm just trying to keep y'all in line right here. Okay, this is the clear. This is the clear DecoFilm Brilliants. And this one right here is the DecoFilm Rainbow Opaque. And this one is your pink brilliant DecoFilm. Alright, and then this one right here is your Siser Disco. Now I had a lot of stuff in whenever I washed them. This one is going to be the blue brilliant Chameleon. And right here is the green brilliant Chameleon. And of course this is your white glitter. Alright, and this one right over here is the Siser Glow-N-Dark. Alright. So now we're getting to the third row. And the third row, now this one right here is super soft. This one is your Subflex. This is made to be sublimated on. Super soft with the dots and everything. Alright, and then this one right here is the soft metallic. It's one of them that I did on the black shirt also. The one with the tie-dye swirls on it. This one right here really surprised me. This is a new material we have called foam. And it feels like foam. Alright, and then this one right here is the Thermaflex. This is a matte finish. So you see that this one actually looks better on the white one. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Okay. Whoops. There we go. We're going to see how this one washes. I have not washed the shirt yet. But I will tell you a new, let me get down here to it. This right here, wait a minute, no. That one right there is the Mystic Pearl that you can sublimate on. A lot of people are doing that one. I didn't do it on the black one. Okay. Now on our fourth row, this is Siser Easyweed, which I knew that it didn't sublimate. You can see where it cracked, and you can see it go through so it didn't do well. And this one is the Luminex Glow Flex White. It did really good, but you can see where I think it was overheated down here, but it looks good right up here, and especially after the washes. And this one right here is the Siser Moonlight Pearl. It is like the Mystic Pearl. It's just darker. And this is the Holographic. Alright guys. Just thought I would show that one to you. And let me get my original one that I did. Alright. So on this one, and this one's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to have to slide it down some. Alright, on this side, I did the 60 seconds on the white glitter. It looks gorgeous. The glow-in-the-dark, it burnt a little bit. I was really surprised that whenever I washed it, it did not come up, the paper on it. So it burnt. And then here is the blue Brilliant Chameleon. And let's see. There. Alright, and this one is the Rainbow Opaque DecoFilm Brilliant. Okay, let's scoot on down. I think because I had a few other things in there, and I had something in, it was a Halloween costume. So I think that's what made those marks. Because whenever I washed this one 3 times, the clear didn't do that. And this is the soft metallic. So whenever I did the soft metallic, I decided to go ahead and try a 30-second press. Which this is how we came to that one. And so, surprisingly, whenever I did the 30 seconds, the paper stuck. And it even washed like this. Never came off. Okay, there's the clear. Alright. The Rainbow Opaque looks really nice and it's softer. Okay, and the blue Brilliant, it looks a little bit more like it fell in. The glow-in-the-dark right here, so we know that for, let me fold this one down. Alright, so for the glow-in-the-dark, you should probably use 30 seconds. See if I can, because you get the same... You get the same quality, it's just it starts to burn at the 60. And then on the white, let's see if I can fold it around there. The white almost looks the same. The yellow looks a little bit more brighter and the green comes out. So that's just a judgment up to you. And then... let me give you a sneak peek of this one. This one has not been washed. I'm going to take it over the weekend and wash it. Of course, you can see some of these up here. The Subflex, the clear, and I added a few different ones. That's flock. I added the confetti. And these right here, this one is a UV and this one's a UV also. This one is a heat changing, just trying stuff out. Alright. Alright. And I will show you another one, and this is the Mystic Pearl that we've been sublimating on. There's a lot of people sublimating on it now. Super soft. I will come back with a video and I will link it on our YouTube Monday, so that way we can go and review this one. Alright guys, I hope that helps. If y'all have any questions or if you found anything else that works also, please let me know. And or if there's something that you would like to try. And just to let you know on that, on our clear DecoFilm Brilliance is $4 for a 12 by 20.